Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to activate Lazada Wallet. To activate Lazada Wallet, you have to make sure that you are logged in either through the official website that is lazada.com or through the application. Here, I will be using the application. Once you are in the home page, tap on Account section located on the bottom right. Here you can view your orders, including your payment, shipment, returns and cancellations, and so on. You can also view your channel. Right below your channel, you will see Lazada Wallet. Tap on Activate button right next to Lazada Wallet. Remember, you have to fully verify your Lazada account to secure your wallet. Enter your valid mobile number right here. Once you enter your valid mobile number, tap on Done and then tap on Get Code. Once you do this, you will get a code sent to your mobile number. You have to use that code for completion of the verification. Once you complete the verification process, you can successfully activate your Lazada wallet. Activating Lazada Wallet offers faster checkouts, exclusive discount, and cashback opportunities. It ensures secure transactions, simplifies refunds, and allows you to earn rewards for purchases, making online shopping more convenient and rewarding. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.